In the last 7 years, whenever I've felt any sort of emotions, this is the movie that I've run to. This movie has successfully always made me feel better. And to be honest, this movie is not just a movie, it's a freaking experience, and I have no idea how I'm going to put what I feel into words for this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, then hi, this is The Storyteller. Here we review stories in the form of doodling, and if that's something that excites you, then do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Also, if you guys have any suggestions for movies you'd like to be reviewed in this way, then don't forget to comment that as well. So I've been wanting to do this review for quite some time, and thankfully you guys suggested it. So the movie that we're going to be talking about today is the movie Bangalore Days. Written and directed by Anjali Menon and having a huge star cast of Nazriya, Nivin, Dulquer, Fahad, Parvati, Isha and Nitya. Now, coming to the story and writing of this movie, one attractive feature of this movie is definitely the huge star cast that's casted in this movie. And while one might say that this becomes the face of the movie, I would definitely say that the writing is the backbone of this movie. The writing and storytelling is so solid that there are moments that will make you laugh, there are moments that will make you sad, and there are moments that will just really surprise you. I mean, this movie's got it all. But the basic storyline of this movie is of three cousins who all end up in Bangalore at the same time in their respective journeys. And it is special to them because this is something that the three of them had always wanted to do since childhood. We're also introduced to their respective partners in this movie. The fun fact is that this movie explores relationships with each character, with each of their partners, and every single character has their own storyline, has their own character arc, which is so beautiful. And when movies have such elaborate storylines for every character, it often becomes boring and sleepy, but not in this movie at all. And that's the magic this movie holds. It makes you enjoy, it gives you a space of comfort, and it is 100% relatable. Let's get into performances. Now, like I said, this movie was known for the big faces, all the popular actors being associated with this movie. So definitely a question comes as, which actor was the best? Who outshined amongst all of them? And trust me, the answer is no way can that be answered, because everyone does their freaking best. And a lot of that is because of the characterization of each of these roles. Each character is so different from each other, and they all portrayed in their own beautiful way. The beauty of these characters and performances is that they remind us of our own homes, the family members we grew up seeing, and it's so relatable. So much that you end up falling in love with these characters and they just make your heart warm. And all the actors that has come in the supporting cast, especially of their parents, oh my god, I think you will all agree that this is so relatable. It genuinely reminds you of your own parents. All the actors outshine because they show us something that we've all seen in our real lives. Okay, now let's talk about music of this movie. Are you even a Malayali if you have not danced your heart out to Todakka Mangalyam or blasted Namma Uru in one of your road trips or your college or school trips? I mean, I have so many memories related to these songs. All the songs in this movie were super hit, and that's because it takes you to another level. And not just that, the BGM is so soothing that, like, oh my god, it's just perfect for all the emotions that's packed in this movie. Now, coming to cinematography, there are some scenes and particular shots in this movie that you will not forget, that just leaves an impression in your mind. And I think that's a huge success of the cinematography team. Not to mention the way they show Bangalore. I mean, all of us wanted to shift after seeing this movie. This was possible, of course, because the editing was also amazing. I think it was cut on point. It is a long movie, but you will not feel that even for a second. Moreover, giving equal amount of space to all of them on screen, I think editing has truly been amazing in this movie. Here are my reasons why you should watch this movie. Number one is the portrayal of cousins. Sure, we've seen movies where there have been crazy friends, but crazy cousins? I mean, I don't know what it is about this movie, but it reminds you of your childhood. It reminds you of you growing up with your own cousins and the crazy things you did with them. But don't just push this away as another family movie, because it's not. It makes you laugh, it makes you feel all sort of emotions. Trust me, I haven't seen a movie which has so many emotions all put together, balanced out so well. This movie is indeed progressive and woke in its own small ways. You know how there are those movies, those preachy movies that tell you in dialogues of how to be progressive and it just screams it into your face? Well, yeah, this is not one of those movies. They show it in the most simplistic way possible. There's this one particular scene where Nazria smokes right before getting married. And to think that this was a scene that was put in a Malayalam movie 7 years ago of a girl smoking, it wasn't made a huge thing because it was the way it was shown. And that's exactly what this movie is about. So many moments in this movie show progressiveness even without it screaming into your face. The next is not particularly a reason, but it's something that I absolutely loved, which is the cross references of other movies in this movie. If you're a Malayali, you would get it. I remember people going crazy in the theatre when the Nivin and Isha scene came up and the Anuragatin BGMs are playing. Oh god, it was truly a moment. Or even when Nivin Pauly says the Kismet line from Ustad Hotel, oh my god, just makes you smile, and it's such smart writing. This movie is so different yet relatable in its own ways. I mean, especially let's talk about the love stories. Each of the couple that you see are so different from each other. For example, Nazria and Fahad, Nivin and Isha, Dulkar and Parvati. All these characters are so different from their partners. But all these partners help each other grow. And there's a huge character arc in each of their characters, even with their relations too. These love stories are unconventional and imperfect, but I love how we're normalizing them in this movie. Even though all of these things happen in the movie, this movie is truly about finding yourself, especially in chaos. Chaos that's at home, with your family, with your passions. It's all about finding your own individual self, even with the ruckus around in the world. And the growth of each character in this movie helps us learn this lesson. Bangalore Days to me is one of the most amazing feel-good movies I've seen. It has songs that I can always play on repeat. It helps me learn so much, and it is so beautifully written that every emotion is covered. It has beautiful direction and performances, and this movie truly speaks to you. It does to me every time. And there are so many more reasons that I can list out for you to watch this. But like I said at the start, this movie is an experience for you to experience. So on that note, guys, I have to say I'll give all my stars, or even more if I could, for this movie, because that's how much it means to me and that's how much it has had an impact on me. This movie makes me happy, and there's definitely a reason as to why it's one of my most favorite movies till date. Thank you so much once again for recommending this to me. I just needed another reason to watch it. But if you guys have any suggestions, then don't forget to drop them below in the comment box. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well. I will see you guys really soon. Thank you so much for your time for this video. With lots of love, it's your storyteller. Bye!